go. Dollar Tree haul. Let's see what we got. Oh, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree. Gonna go to the Dollar Tree. I thought this was a good deal. This is generic Febreze, of course. Surprised they even got that far with the bottle. Typically, I think it's probably P&G that owns them. Would shut them down with a cease and desist. Ooh, so there was a, what was it? There's Cracker Jack, and I was like, fuck you, Cracker Jack. And then there's this big thing of Fiddle Faddle. So, oh, it's kind of beers. Maybe that was from me. I don't know. We'll see. And then Sherry likes the sour cream and onion. So I was like, let me get some of those. It's $1.25. And then let's see what else we get. Oh, of course I get the original Mike and Ike's. That's what I like. And I also like these. These are the last ones. The boxes are kind of beat up. That's fine. Doesn't matter to me. Hot tamales. So I'm checking out, and then there's this couple in front of me. And they were, I don't know, they looked a little out of place, like they really probably shouldn't be there. Like, I don't know, they didn't look poor enough. And the lady asked the cashier, they're like, do you have a bathroom? And the cashier's like, yeah, you got to go into the back, and then there's some black doors, you got to go through those, and there's the bathroom. And she's like, okay. And then she finished checking out, and there was like this silence, and then I made eye contact with the cashier, and I was like, you can call them African-American doors. So, and then there's this huge silence of just like awkward, and then they laughed a little bit, and I was like, oh, you can laugh. That was funny. Yeah, that was a good joke. Tropical Typhoon. What else did I get? Is that it? That's it, mama. That's my Dollar Tree haul. Sherry's like, you should do a Dollar Tree haul video. Those things are fucking popular. I was like, all right, babe, we'll do it. Love you.